ये पानी जिंदगानी, ये पानी जिंदगानी, रखना संभाल के धरती का
Hi,
पानी।
this is Tarun Dangi from Standard 8A, Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya, Khurai. Today I am presenting a small model on water conservation on the behalf of Jal Shakti. This is our simple model on water conservation. So what happens is the water from the borehole comes to the hand pump, and the hand pumps just pump the water from here. It flows through the slope and comes to the wastewater holders, and the wastewater holder is connected through a pipe to the pit, and here the pit takes the water underground to the groundwater here, and the groundwater refills the water in the borehole. And this is a simple cycle that continuously works as the water flows from here, goes to the pit, underground, refills the water. This is a simple cycle. So here we end our model. At last but not the least, I would like to say that we should save water, because save water, save life.